How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can buy crypto on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically buy crypto on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and launch a Trust Wallet application here, and just make sure to go ahead and then sign into your account. Once you sign into your Trust Wallet account in order to buy cryptocurrencies, over there you'll find this option right here known as buy. So make sure to just tap the buy option, and as you tap the buy option here, you can select many sort of cryptocurrencies that are available for you to buy. So depending upon which one you'd like to buy, just select that certain cryptocurrency, enter the dollars worth of crypto that you would like to buy. In this case, once you enter the dollars worth of crypto that you want to buy, you will be able to buy that cryptocurrency successfully after you enter your payment details. This way you will be able to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.